Okay, everybody, welcome to how I'm going to show you how to get your IRS tax transcripts. Okay, this is one of the things that we occasionally have to get, especially if you're self-employed. We're going to need to see, possibly a copy of your tax return transcripts, which is just proof that you actually filed your taxes. Okay, so here's how to do it. So I probably have given you the link, but if you aren't sure, it's actually pretty easy to find on Google. You just go ahead and type in IRS get transcripts, and that'll pull up, here, this page right here. Okay, so go ahead and click that. This will send you to the IRS's website where you can get your tax transcripts, like I said. You'll go online. You'll go ahead and do this request online, so go ahead and get that. It then gives you two options here. If this is your first time setting this up, you will obviously want to set this up for the first time. I will say that when you set that up, it does ask for a copy of your ID, and also you'll need to have access to a webcam on your phone or on the computer so that it can verify that it's you. So it takes about 5 to 10 minutes, not too long, but then you're in. Okay. Once you're in, you'll go ahead and sign in. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. It's then going to send you a code, right? Because it wants to, kind of that multi-factor authentication. And so once I get that code here, I will be able to log in, okay? Okay, so you can see at the top here, it's going to say, hey, select the reason you're getting this. For our intentions here, we're going to say mortgage related. You don't need to put anything here, so just go ahead and push go, and then that's going to pull up all these different things here, okay? So this section right here, record of account transcript, that's the section that I care about for a mortgage. So you'd go ahead and click this year, and that'll then pull up that tax return transcript, okay? That's the document that you'll want to save as a PDF and then email or upload over to me, for the years that we're requiring. Okay. Now, if, let's say, for example, you did an extension on your tax returns, and so we're asking for you to send us proof that there was no tax return filed. Okay. You would then still do that same thing. You'll go to that year, and it'll show you this form here, this verification and non-filing letter. So it'll come up with a form that says, hey, yep, this shows that they did not file their tax transcripts yet. It's a record of no return, essentially. Okay, that's what we need to show that, hey, yep, you didn't file anything. If, for example, you are unable to find your W-2s, okay, this is also a great place to get that. So a lot of times what we say is, hey, go back to your employer, see if you can get the W-2s from them. Sometimes that's not possible, right? And maybe sometimes it's slow and it's not something you really want to do right away. So if that's the case, you can also just go here where it says wage and income transcript, okay? And you'll click the year, and you can go back a little bit ways here too, right? So, but you'll just click the year that you're looking for that tax W-2, and then that'll show you the transcript of the W-2s. Okay, and we can use that if you're unable to find the actual W-2 document that you have. That's it. Pretty easy. Again, the hardest part is just really setting up an account with the IRS. Once that's set up, pretty easy to get your tax transcripts.